Hello viewers, what is the first step in creating business plan? Option A, writing a marketing strategy. Option B, conducting marketing research. Option C, defining your exit strategy. The correct option is option B. The reason is conducting marketing research is the first step in creating a business plan because it provides the foundation for your entire venture. Understanding your target market, their needs, and the competition helps you make informed decisions about your product, pricing, marketing strategies, and overall business direction. Have a brilliant business idea? Share it with us.